and welcome to our presentation on the future of healthcare. Today we are excited to share our presentation revolutionary topic, medical vending machine. I am Khushi Rastogi, joined by Priyanshi, Jain and Stuthi Jain. Together we are DecaMed and we are from EPS.
To start things off, let's look at the current state of healthcare and the need for more accessible and efficient solutions. Traditional pharmacies can be inconvenient, especially during emergencies or outside regular business hours. Our solution addresses this issue by introducing the medical vending machine, and our problem statement is to develop products to ensure the availability of quality healthcare on an equitable, affordable and accessible basis with a special focus on the underserved population.
Surveys were conducted to gather insights into consumer behaviors, preferred payment methods, and optimal locations for the placement of these machines. This data-driven approach ensured that the medical vending machine would cater to the specific requirements of its target audience. Now, let's dive into the key features of a medical vending machine. It's not just a regular vending machine, it's a smart, secure, and user-friendly solution. Some of the key features include a user-friendly interface and the batteries are solar-powered. Also, to keep a check on the stock, we will have IR sensors.
This technological marvel is equipped with a range of physical features that enhance its functionality. The machine typically has a sleek and user-friendly interface with a LCD display. The user can simply press the button of their choice for the product they require. The machine is stocked with first aid supplies, painkiller ointments, sanitary napkins, and commonly used over-the-counter medicines such as paracetamol.
Additionally, it includes a payment system that accepts coin for now. The compact size of the vending machine makes it suitable for placement in rural areas, bus stops, and public spaces, providing individuals with quick and convenient access to essential healthcare items without the need for human assistance in an emergency. In conclusion, our medical vending machine is not just a technological marvel, it's a solution that addresses the evolving needs of healthcare. We believe it has the potential to change the way emergency first aids are accessed.
Behind every successful project is a team with unique talents. Khushi designed the model, whereas Stuthi helped in the research document, and I, Priyanshi, helped building the working model. And together, with the help of our mentor, we created the model. It truly has been a collaborative effort. Thank you.